How to fix unable to log in on eFootball mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Next, launch Play Store application and search for eFootball. Now as you can see on the screen, there's an option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the application. So we're gonna go back and then make a long press on the eFootball application on our device. Then tap on App Info. Now as you tap on App Info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of Clear Data. So tap on Clear Data and then Clear Cache and then tap on OK. And if you tap on Clear All Data again, and you'll be able to delete all data. If it's convenient for you, you can delete all data as well. Next, tap on the app permissions and make sure that you toggle on all the required options over here. After that, you can just try and relaunch the eFootball mobile application and your issue might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.